Hello dear students, welcome back to the science class. Dear students, in the previous video class, we were studying about the lesson how animals survive. Okay, I hope you all are understanding this lesson. So dear students, if you are not understanding the lesson, you can call me and you can clear your doubts. So, see dear students, whatever I am teaching you daily, you have to read and study it. The science lessons are very important and these lessons are very important for your further lessons and further classes also. So, what you have to do, how much I will teach, so you have to read that day from the textbook also and mark the important points and make a list of important definition also. Okay dear students, in the previous video class we have studied what we have studied? Yes, first we have studied about the animals in a danger. Yes, and their behavior. Okay, so today we are studying about animals in a danger. In the last class we have studied the adaptation to behavior. Okay, how the animals are adapted. Yes, here the what is hibernation, what is estivation, next what is migration. These are the very important definition. Dear students, after completing this lesson, all the important points I will give you. You have to write those important points in your science fair book. So today let us see the last part of this lesson. Yes, what it is? Animals in a danger. It is the last part of this lesson. Okay, so the animals which are in a danger that we are going to study today in this video class. Millions of years ago, dinosaurs were living on earth. Yes, you all know the dinosaur is one of the danger animal it is. Okay, so million of years ago, not 2-3 years ago, million of years ago, these dinosaurs were living on earth. If dinosaurs ಇವು ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇದ್ವಿವು ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾವಾಗಿದ್ವು ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಎಗೋ ಇವು ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ವಾಸಿಸ್ತಿದ್ವು ಎಂಥ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ಸು ಡೈನೋಸಾರ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ಇನ್ ಡೈನೋಸಾರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಟಿ ವಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಯಸ್ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ they do not exist anymore. Yes, now the dinosaur animal is not exist now, means nothing but it is not there only. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹುಡುಕಿದ್ರು ಈ ಡೈನೋಸಾರ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ because it is not present on the earth now. Why it is not present? Can you give any reason why the dinosaur is not present on the earth? ಯಾಕೆ ಡೈನೋಸಾರ್ ಇವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಭೂಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ? Yes, ಯಾಕಿಲ್ಲ? It is one of the living thing. Yes, in a million of years ago this animal was there. Million of years ago ಈ animals ಇತ್ತು ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ಯಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ರೀಸನ್ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? Yes, why? Let us see the reason here. Because one reason could be because dinosaurs could not adapt to changing climatic condition. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಕ್ಲೈಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ವೇರಿ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವು ಬದುಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ಲೈಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್. ಸಿ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಡೈನೋಸಾರ್ಸ್ ಕುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಡ್ಯಾಪ್ಟ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್, how is the climate of our environment? Yes, sometimes we are having a winter, then sometimes summer, then sometimes rainy season. You climatic condition change ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾವೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ. ಯಸ್, ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ದ ಕ್ಲೈಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಡೈನೋಸಾರ್ಸ್ ಕುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಡ್ಯಾಪ್ಟ್, ದೇ ಕುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅವು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ದೇ ಕುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ದ ಕ್ಲೈಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನೌ ದ ಡೈನೋಸಾರ್ಸ್ are not there on the earth because of this reason only, because dinosaurs could not adapt to changing climatic conditions. Today, despite a lot of adaptations, there are several animals whose lives are in a danger. They are also close to disappearing from earth. Such animals are said to be endangered. Dear students, some of the animals are there Okay, despite of a lot of adaptation, there are some many animals are there who lives in a danger, nothing but they are in a danger now. Okay, they are close to disappearing. Andre some of the animals are coming to end here, their life here. Why? Because of the climate only. Such animals, for them we are calling here endangered animals. The animals that have already disappeared from the earth are considered to be extinct. What we are calling the animals that have already disappeared. ಯಾವ animals ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಸಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಸಪಿಯರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದೋಸ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಅರ್ತ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸಪಿಯರ್? ದ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡಿಸಪಿಯರ್ಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವು ಇವಾಗ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. For them we are calling what here? For them we are calling extinct animals. So here even the endangered, nothing but the some of the animals are coming, nothing but they are going to extinct now. Nothing but they are going to disappear. Some of the animals are going to disappear from the earth. For them we are calling endangered. They are in a danger. So we will call them as endangered animals. The animals, they are coming to close to disappearing from the earth. The animals which are disappearing from the earth, for them we are calling endangered. The animals which are already disappeared, ಯಾವ animals already ಇವಾಗ exist ಇಲ್ಲ, dinosaur now it is not there, it is a extinct animal. It is a extinct animal. The animal, see dear students, the animals okay which are they are close to disappearing from the earth, for them we are calling endangered. Endangered ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಆ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸು ಇವಾಗ they are coming to end their life on the earth here. They are going to disappear. ಇನ್ನು ಡಿಸಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಸಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ ಅವು ಡಿಸಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಅಂಥ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಂಡೇಂಜರ್ಡ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, the extinct is nothing but the animals which have already disappeared. Dinosaur is an example. Okay, humans are directly or indirectly responsible for animals becoming extinct. What is the meaning of extinct? Extinct andre ಏನು? The animals which have already disappeared. ಯಾವ animals already ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಡಿಸಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾವೆ, ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, humans are directly or indirectly responsible for animals becoming extinct. Who are the responsible then? Human beings, directly or indirectly. Human beings are responsible to be the animals to become extinct. We are cutting down forest in search of a place to live or full our needs. As you all know, the people are cutting down the forest. ಯಾಕೆ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟನ್ನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಟು ಲೀವ್. ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಟು ಲೀವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ಫುಲ್ಫಿಲ್ ದೇರ್ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಕಟಿಂಗ್ ಡೌನ್ ದ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. In this way, we are taking away homes and food of animals. So in this manner, what we are doing? We are taking away the, as you all know, the animals live in a forest. If we cut down the forest, then the way they have to go animals, they don't have any place. Even we are taking the place of the animals, even we are taking the food of the animals also. So if we are taking a food and place of the animals, they can't survive. So they will disappear from the, what they will do? They will disappear from the earth here. There are many animals which are being hunted for their skin, such as crocodiles and tigers. See dear students, even we are taking the skin of animals also. Yes, we are taking the skin of the animals. Why we are taking the skin of the animals? For our purpose only. Yes, human beings, what they are doing? They are taking the skin of the animals only. They are hunting it, crocodiles and tigers, and they will take the skin of those animals and they are making a different, what here? They are making different types, some for the basic things they are using here. Animals like black rhinos are being hunted for their horns. Okay, both tigers and black rhinos are endangered animals. Yes, can you give the example for endangered animals? Tigers and black rhinos. Because what are these? These are endangered animals. Why tigers and black rhinos are endangered animals? Because within a few days they will disappear from the earth here. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿವಸ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಟೈಗರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ರೈನೋಸ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಭೂಮಿಯಿಂದ ಡಿಸಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತೈತೆ. ಅವು ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗಂಗೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. They will not, we are not able to see also. Why? Because they are hunting because they are taking the skin of those animals. Okay, they are hunting these animals. So there is no again tiger and black rhinos we can see. These animals are danger of becoming extinct. Animals such as the dodo bird and the saber-toothed cat have already disappeared and have become extinct. So extinct animals example yavu? Dodo bird ಮತ್ತೆ saber-toothed and dodo bird. These are extinct animals. Which are endangered animals? Tigers and black rhinos. Okay, tigers and black rhinos are there now. Within a few days these will become extinct animals. Means we can't even see those animals. So dear students, this is all about the animals. Okay, the animals which are in a danger. With this we have completed the how the animals survive lesson. Dear students, if you get any doubt you can contact me, read from the lesson. Okay dear students, in the next video class I will solve the checkpoint and evaluate part. Till that, study well, read the full lesson. If you get any doubt, ask me. Till that, have a nice day. Thank you.